Welcome to Armand Academy. Like and subscribe for more content and drop your doubts in the comments. Share with your friends and classmates. For private tuition in these subjects across all boards and universities, contact me here or the link in the description. Let's get started. Suppose for two imaginary economies, A and B, the value of marginal propensity to consume stands at zero point 0.8 and zero point 0.6 respectively. For both the economies, autonomous consumption, or what we call CBA's 400 crores, and investment expenditure, or I, is 2000 crores. All right, so we have to calculate the break-even level of income for economy A. The break-even level of income. Break-even level of income. Okay, for that we have a formula where y is equal to c. That is it. Okay, and now looking at the question, we need to calculate. Okay, we need to calculate how much is consumption. And we've been told that the marginal propensity to consume is 0.8 as far as A is concerned. Okay, so marginal propensity to consume is 0.8. Apart from that, we have got autonomous consumption or C bar at 400. All right. So apart from y is equal to c, we have got one more formula for c itself. Okay. And consumption, always remember, is autonomous consumption, which we've been given as c bar, plus induced consumption, which is MPC multiplied by income. All right. So what we have to solve for in this question is nothing but c. All right. So substituting, I can say that c is equal to C bar 400 plus the marginal propensity to consume, which is 0.8, okay, into Y. But I do not know what the value for Y is, but I know that at the break-even level of income, Y is equal to C. So I can change the left-hand side of this equation by replacing C with Y. And now I'm able to isolate the value of y and therefore determine the value of c. 0.8 over here is addition. It goes that side, it becomes subtraction. So y minus 0.8, okay, 0.8 y is equal to 400. And remember, this is 1y. Okay, so if I subtract 1y minus 0.8y, it's 0.2. 0.2y is equal to 400. Now that 0.2, the 0.2 over here is multiplication, goes that side, it becomes division. Y is equal to 400 upon 0.2, okay, which is as good as 400 into 5, which is 2000 crores. Now, what we get over here, okay, remember, is the value of break-even level of income. Okay, so our answer for this is 2000 crores. Again, of course, you can't write into the question. So after you finally get this, you can just write, therefore, the break-even level. You will use full forms, of course, the break-even level of income is 2000 crores. Okay. And now we will concentrate on economy P, where we've been asked to calculate the equilibrium level of income. Now, equilibrium level of income, equilibrium. Okay, the condition for equilibrium level of income is Y is equal to C plus I. Okay, income is equal to consumption plus investment. Okay, but remember, C itself, we have a formula, okay, which is C bar plus income into the marginal okay, into the marginal propensity to consume plus I. Okay, now we can substitute. As far as economy B is concerned, the autonomous consumption is 400, investment expenditure is 2000. All right, so we can say Y is equal to 400 plus investment expenditure of 2000. MPC, okay, MPC for, okay, MPC for the second economy, 0.6. So 0.6 into Y. All right, and this is how we substitute and solve. 0.6 Y over here is addition, goes that side, it becomes subtraction. These two numbers can be added. Okay, so what we're going to end up with is 1Y minus 0.6Y is equal to 4,000, no, 2,400. Okay, and now 1Y minus 0.6Y is equal to 0.4Y, which is equal to 2,400. Now, 0.4 over here is multiplication. It goes that side, it becomes division. So Y is equal to 2,400 upon 0.4, okay, which is equal to 6,000 crores, which is equal to 6,000 crores. Therefore, equilibrium level of income, equilibrium level of income, okay, of income for economy, okay, and upstairs we have economy A and B. Okay, so over here also the break-even level of income, okay, and let me squeeze it on top for economy A, because they asked that much for economy A. Similarly, equilibrium level of income for economy B is 6,000 crores. Any doubts? Feel free to ask.